all of my life I was pretty intuitive and spiritual until I decided to shut it down, as don't we all from time to time. And it got blasted wide open again in 1990. I had a car accident and a near-death experience. And in the in-between state between life and death, many, many things came to me. Spiritual beings came and taught me a lot of information about the underpinnings of the universe and the spiritual laws in particular, and how to communicate soul to soul to help initiate change and help others. And after this training, so to speak, occurred, I was asked, so would you like to keep going and go home to Creator, or go back and be a teacher and healer? And it really was a struggle, seeing the earth looking so small, and the ecstatic feelings that I was feeling, being so close to rejoining Creator. And yet, I saw another alternate reality, which is my funeral at a pretty young age, and my friends and family really in total despair. So I'd like to say it was an easy decision, but the ecstasy and bliss was pretty amazing, and I knew I had nothing to fear by going home to Creator. But it was really my family and friends, that tug, that brought me back. So in the aftermath of that, it was very hard for me to describe to people what happened. At that point in time, no one else had written any other books about near-death experiences. And to try to explain to people what I had learned was difficult to put into words. So over time, I started practicing putting things into practice and into words. And my husband, Aaron Singleton, and I, eventually, once we met and married, started teaching aspects of the universal laws during our Ideal Process workshops for intuitive enhancement. And it happened that several years back, I think about 4 years ago, a number of students said, Sue, why don't you, in the next 30 days, why don't you create a quick little reference book on the universal laws for us so we can have practical exercises to do at home? And I said, that's a great idea. 4 years later, this project finally was complete in the form of the book, 9 Simple Laws to Create Joy and Grace. And it took on a life of its own. Life happened. All manner of things and responsibilities took place. And for me, it was such a joy to be writing this. I love writing. And what I wanted to do to make it very special was to help people to realize why they were dissatisfied with law of attraction. So that the first piece was the students asking for help. The second piece was so many people came to Aaron and me and said, the law of attraction is not working for me. What am I doing wrong? And I said, you're not doing anything wrong. But the law of attraction is a carpenter, a dutiful builder. There are 8 other laws. There are architects that build the blueprints. There are infrastructure specialists. And there are other carpenters and builders, and they're all a team. And that's when I needed to start percolating on how to communicate this in an easy format. You know, Aaron and I like things to be simple, yet profound. And so that's where I undertook this writing project. And I'm going to share a bit with you today about what this is all about. What are these laws, and why are there 9, etc. So I hope you enjoy the journey with me.